Hello, third grade. All right, I'm coming at you today to teach you the basics of Bandlab. This is a program that we're going to start using. And this week, I just want you to start messing around with it. I'm going to teach you how to use the drum machine function and how to start arranging some of the music in there. I'm also going to give you a little heads up that you're going to be hearing this fellow while I'm working. Fisher, you want to say hi? Say hi. Yeah, so that's Fisher. He's my son, and he's the best. Well, anyway, while Fisher is playing, I'm going to explain to you what we're going to do here. First thing you're going to do, click up here. Type in Bandlab. Hit return. We're doing the quick version today, guys. All you're going to do is get started messing around with the drum machine. This week, make a whole bunch of beats. See what you can create. So I can click on Bandlab right there. And then it's going to bring up, I see. Well, for you, it's going to ask you to log in. Just use your Google Gmail credentials. Type in your Google email password. Type in your Gmail address. It's all going to work. It's going to get you to a page like this. You're going to hit create. And it's going to give you this whole thing. You can record instruments, a drum machine, your voice. If you have a thing to plug in a guitar or bass, you can do that. I'm guessing nobody's going to have that, and that's fine. We don't need it right now. Click on drum machine. And check this out. Ta-da! Now this whole window has a lot of stuff going on. Don't worry about most of it. For this week, just worry about this space right down here. This whole drum machine-y space. Turned up the volume. There are different patterns. There's A, there's B. Those ones are ones they already made for you. But then you get into C. Ooh la la. Interesting. Totally empty. I'm going to start adding some stuff. And then I'm going to add some bass drum down here. Made a weird sound, but I think it's going to sound good once we're actually going. Okay, let's see. Maybe a little snare drum. Ooh, snare drum. Let's hear how that sounds if I press play. Cool. Mine's getting a little crackly weird thing. I'm not sure where that's from, but hopefully yours isn't doing that. Check it out. You can change the drum set. I'm going to make it, lo-fi hip-hop kit. See what that one sounds like. Oh, that's cool. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty sweet, right? Awesome. Now, here's the thing. Press play, press stop, makes it play and stop. You might not want it that speed. Up here, it says 120 BPM. That stands for beats per minute. Which doesn't mean much in the abstract, but if I change the number of beats per minute by dragging up or down, it will change the whole feeling of this song. Say I bring it down to 90 and press play. Let's hear it. Woo! Or say I crank it way up to 142. Why not? Fisher, do you like that beat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this week I just want you to mess around with this drum machine. You can add all kinds of little things. Try adding things in between spaces. Whoa. Adding things in between spaces. Maybe like that. And just see what it does. Here we go. Let's play it. Woo! It's pretty cool. Now, if I go up here, this is the arrange area. Don't worry about that for this week. Just mess around with the drum machine, have some fun, create some beats. I'll share another video where I can start talking about how you're going to arrange all that stuff up in the arrange window. But for now, have fun. I'll see you next week.